Hello, Sanbonani Dumelang, Kuya More Abshel Tobela. Welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome to Trending Mzansi. In case you haven't done so already, please like the video, comment, press the bell icon for more similar content. Yeah, so guys, Izolo, yesterday when I was watching the live proceedings for the Senzo Meyiwa case, guys, I was so bored, shame, especially with the line of questioning from the defense. Angas, I don't know, maybe me, nah? I just feel like the lawyers, they are not asking like hard questions, you know. They are not asking because at the end of the day, we want to know what happened during that fateful day, you know? And I feel like sometimes they are asking questions which are unnecessary and irrelevant, you know. For instance, the defense counsel for accused number 3, who advocate Khumalo, Bebuza this witness, a question like, what was his build? What are his facial features like? I was asking myself, why do we need to know that information? You know, if we correct decision. But then I'm not a lawyer, and maybe strategists are now, you know, and then so one would see what's going to happen at the end. But as the proceedings were unfolding, the presiding judge, Ratha Mokgoatlheng, had something very interesting to say to the lawyers of the accused. All right, let's listen in, and then if you have any comment, just let us know after the video. Ciao.
The deceased was not shot in the house. Yet nobody is saying that in the cross-examination, as I'm following the cross-examination.
Unfortunately, I'm not finished.
No, I'm talking about the defense itself.
Excluding number 5, my lord.
Hello?
Excluding number 5.
No, you have not stood up yet.
Thank you, my lord.
But first, second, and unless you are going to say that.
I'm not done with my cross-examination.
Okay, but
yes.
The first two counsels, Mr. Mnisi and Rampesela, they never said there were no two persons who entered the room. There were no shots fired. Whereas there's a difference, there could have been 2 shots or 3 shots, and one was loud and one wasn't loud. And this witness can't describe what a firearm looks like because he doesn't know. And you read in a statement of Longwe who says it was a 38. What is this case about, actually? That's what I'm getting at. Yes, Mr. Mnisi, you want to venture?
I'm not so sure what is this case is all about. On whose side?
No, every side. I'm just listening to the cuts of the evidence as to how Mr. Senzo is allegedly shot.
But basically, we are here to demonstrate this concept for the defense.
Yes.
That the gentlemen that you're representing here were not involved in whatever allegations that are raised against them by the state.
No problem with that.
Yes.
Because you have given your defense version that your client was not there. Is that not so? Yourself?
Yes, madam.
That's it?
Yes.
And even your colleague there gave a version that his client was not there. Is that not so, sir?
Indeed so, my lord.
Right. Now, here's this witness. He described that people came in and they did X, Y, Z. I'm saying I haven't heard anyone saying there were no intruders in the house. That shots were fired in the house, or a shot was fired in the house. Because if you're a defense counsel, I would expect you to say, I put it to you that there were no intruders who went into the house, and there were no shots fired inside the house. I haven't heard that. Mr. Baloi, am I Maybe.
Oh,
it's still coming. Okay, fine.
Can we just pause here
Yeah, okay.
until I start my case?
It's still coming with
Yes,
you.
it's
Fine,
still coming
fine.
with
I'm just saying the councils I've listened to so far,
1 to 4.
up to now. Maybe after, when he comes back, the council for the 4th,
Yes.
you'll put
Yes,
something.
I'm definitely not done. Thank you.
I do?
I'm not done, my lord. I'm not
Okay.
done with my cross-examination.
Okay, fine,
Yes.
fine.
Yes. Thank you.
But have you said that Mr. Rapper?
Basically, my lord, that it's an issue of identification.
Yes, no problem.
That's our difference.
No problem.
Identification only.
I'm not talking about identity. I'm talking about the fact that 2 intruders got into the house. Are you disputing that?
I wasn't privy to that. I don't know.
No. You've got a statement from the
Yes.
client to say I wasn't there.
Yes.
So it means you're disputing that, or what? Are we on the same level?
We are on the same level.
So you're saying there were not 2 people who got into the house, isn't it? Is that what your instructions are? See? Are those your instructions? How much should hear the whole year? Are your instructions that no 2 people intruded into the sanctity of the house of the Khumalos?
If my lord listened to our case, they
Yeah.
said they were not there. So
No, the clients were not there. That
Yes.
I've heard.
Yes.
The question is, are you further saying no 2 people entered the house of the Khumalos? That's all.
That's the bottom line. If I say identification and then we are not there, obviously they are saying presupposition is that there were not 2 intruders, my lord.
But why didn't you put it there? You cross-examined the whole day the other
Yes,
day.
yes.
You never put it to this witness that no 2 people entered the house of the Khumalos. You never had any dinner or lunch. Ma Khumalo never cooked soup for Lolongwe. I'm listening
Yes.
and I'm saying, so the evidence so far which has been put to this witness is about identification, no problem about it.
Yes, but that was the version according to
Yeah,
his
fine.
testimony. That was the
And
version
your
according
client's
to our
version
case.
is he was arrested in
Yes.
Rustenburg,
Yes.
taken to Carltonville.
Yes.
In other words, he wasn't there
He wasn't there.
on the 26th of
Yes.
October,
Yes.
2014.
Yes.
So he can't tell this court whether the 2 people intruded or not.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. It's difficult.
That's
for
the
me
same
to-
with you, Mr.
Yes.
Nisi.
That's so, my lord. Whether there were 3 or 5 or 100, we don't know.
That's it, yeah. That's why now when we come to delineation of whether there were 2 shots, 3 shots, one was louder than the next one, how does it assist this court in coming to solving this conundrum? Are you with me?
Yes, we are.
And I'm not stopping you from cross-examining. You see, if your colleague says to me, like he's saying, there are 3 statements. In one statement, this witness says, I wasn't there, I was in KZN on the 26th of October, 2014. All we're arguing about is they went outside to go and smoke, and I came back. I don't know how it takes this matter further. So what I'm requesting is that counsel must cross-examine so that we know what the defense is. Okay.